Welcome to Logical Resonance, a resonance between you and me. We are going to build a framework because we want to use one, but do not want to choose one. We are going to build a framework. We did not like the others, so we will write another. This is a Python series. Let us enter in the world of Python.
Let us enter into the world of Python. When students start learning the Python, suddenly he heard the different sounds. Hey, I am using spider. I am using Jupyter. I am using PyCharm, Atom, and so on. He becomes confused because he came to learn the Python, but what is this Jupyter, Spider, PyCharm, Atom, and all these? Is there any correlation between them? The answer is all are the Pythons. Then why there are so many different names? The reason behind it is itself the GUI of the Python, the original Python. So first we look how the software appears when it opens. This is Python, original Python. This is Spider. This is Jupyter. This is PyCharm. This is Atom. All are looking different, but better than Python. Hence, instead of original Python, the Python is wrapped by different companies and they name it Spider, Jupyter, PyCharm, Atom, and so on. This is just like selling a pizza. All the pizzas are originally plain pizza and with different toppings and herbs. It looks different, it tastes different, its aroma is different, but basically all are built on the base pizza. So this base pizza is the original Python and other versions of pizzas are called as Spider, Jupyter, Atom. Out of these things, we will learn Spider. Now, why Spider? Because the GUI of the Spider is itself beautiful. A lot of different packages are pre-installed and it is used by a professionals. So we will install Spider. For installing the Spider, you have to install Anaconda. Again, problem. What is this Anaconda? Anaconda is actually a name of company which has different products and one of the product is Spider and Jupyter. The Spider is desktop application and Jupyter is web-based application. So from here onwards, we will use only the word Spider and Anaconda. So first we will see how to install the Anaconda.
For installation of Anaconda, go to the Google and type Anaconda. Press enter. In Google at the top, there is a Anaconda site. Go to the individual edition. This is the Anaconda site. Scroll down, go to the bottom. Here the Anaconda installer comes. The installer comes for three different operating systems: Windows, Mac, and Linux. We will see the installation of Windows. In Windows, there are two options, 64-bit and 32-bit. Depending upon your operating system, select either of them. I will click the 64-bit version. The window will pop up. Close this window. The downloading has started. The download complete. Click the downloaded file. The installation begins. The first window pop up over here. Click the default option for all the screens. License agreement. This is the default program directory or destination folder where the Anaconda is installed. Destination folder is C users, then username of your PC. Accept the default configuration. It starts downloading. It will take time. The installation is complete. Next. Next. Finish. Anaconda web page will get open in the browser. Close it. The installation has completed. Now we will open the Anaconda. Go to the start menu of Windows. Anaconda 3. Click it. The menu will open. At the bottom there is a spider. Click it. It takes time. The spider window is open. One more window is open. Uncheck this box. When this is unchecked, it will not check the update at the startup. Otherwise, it will check update at the startup. Click OK. Dismiss this window also. Here we have successfully installed Anaconda. In the Anaconda, we have opened the spider. In today's session, we have seen how to download the Anaconda, how to install it, and how to open the spider. In the next session, we will see how to customize this spider. We will meet again in the next session.